Have you ever sat in your grandma's living room and admired those webbed hexagonal patterns on her antique furniture? Those are cake webbing or Ratan sheets, a classic material that's making a big comeback in modern design. Interior designers and homeowners are in love with these sheets for their natural and earthy look. Curious about how these sheets are made? Ratan sheets are made from the stems of rattan palms, a type of vine that grows in tropical forests. The stems are cut into strips and then peeled, dried, and woven together to create the sheets. The weaving process is time consuming and requires a lot of skill, but the result is a beautiful and durable material that can be used for a variety of purposes. Now let's see where we can use these sheets in modern architecture. Ratan sheets are seen in furniture pieces, partitions, wardrobe doors, and even lamps. My personal favorite is when the sheets are sandwiched between two glasses for cabinet doors, which makes them super easy to clean without getting worried about the maintenance. And if you're in the market for Ratan sheets and other interior design materials in the future, don't forget to check out the material depot at HSR Layout or book a free consultation by sliding into our DMs.